你好，请站在感应区内。
Hello guys, I'm Elvis. Today I'm going to show you 佛山明穴. It's whole floor in our SMT workshop. Here's where surface mounting and welding are completed. Please follow me and to see the specific production process. Generally speaking, in order to ensure production efficiency, the order of the same machine in a day has been arranged at the beginning of the day. After getting the dispatch order and material of the day, our operator will arrange the first manufacturing to ensure that the parameters of the product are consistent with the dispatch order. When the parameters are adjusted well and the trial production is carried out, it can be checked whether all the electronic components are stuck in the correct position to avoid problems such as virtual welding and de-welding. And then the formal production will begin. In the formal production link, first of all, a solder paste print machine is used to print the mixed no-PB solder paste on the corresponding position of PCB board, and then is sent to the SMT machine for mounting. The PCB board will be automatically sent in the reflow machine after mounting. At the end of reflow machine, our operator lighten and repair the lamp. At the same time, during the production process, the operator will check regularly to ensure the correct production process. In addition to the half-meter plate, we also have infinite lengths of production line. The production process is no different. Qualified products can be cut and welded. The vast majority of our welding work is done by machines. After the welding is completed and the lighten test is qualified, the plate will be washed to ensure its appearance. And then it can enter the next workshop. The IP20 strip will be sent to the parking department after the agent test, while the products that need to be waterproof will be sent to the corresponding waterproof workshop at agent. So, have you understand the process of SMT? Follow me. Next time, I will show you our professional waterproof workshop.